Hi and welcome to the VPN Club YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unblock websites. This video is useful whether you are trying to access a website that is blocked by a firewall in your school, university or workplace for example, or that is not available in the country you're in. A lot of schools, universities and companies indeed block access to certain websites, like Facebook for example, to prevent students and employees from being distracted. And as you probably know, a lot of websites, including some search engines, social networks, and news websites, are blocked, either temporarily or permanently, in countries like Russia or Pakistan, for example. On the other hand, some websites are only accessible in certain countries. For example, Hulu is available in the US only. These are what we call geoblocks. Before I show you how to unblock websites, I invite you to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification button if you enjoy our content. This would mean a lot to us and help us create even more useful content. So, how can you unblock a website? The short answer is ExpressVPN. ExpressVPN is an app that you can install on your computer, smartphone, tablet or smart TV and that allows you to change your IP address. Once connected, your real IP address will be hidden, replaced by the IP address of the VPN server. Imagine I would like to access the New York Times, which is currently blocked in the country I'm in. As you can see, I don't have access to this website. My internet service provider prevents me from accessing it. If I want to access it, what I need to do is use ExpressVPN to simulate a connection from another country, the US for example. ExpressVPN will not only allow me to access this website, but it will also protect my internet traffic and keep my identity private. First, click here. You can either choose between these few recommended locations or access all locations by clicking here. There are a lot of countries, including the US, Canada, the UK, Australia, Germany, France, Spain, Italy, Japan, just to name a few. These are all countries from which you can simulate a connection. Simply select a location. ExpressVPN will then establish a connection to the fastest server available in this specific location. Let's use one of the recommended locations, the US for example. I double click, it's connecting, it only takes a few seconds. Done! I'm now connected to the internet virtually from the US. My IP address has been replaced by the IP address of the VPN server located in Washington. Let's refresh this page. And as you can see, I now have access to the New York Times. I can browse it, read articles and so on. You don't need to keep ExpressVPN open like this at all times. You can minimize the app and even close it. As you can read here, ExpressVPN will stay connected in the background. Here, we don't see the app anymore, but the VPN is still active. It will remain active until I press this button. Once you don't need to use a VPN anymore, you may deactivate it by pressing this button. I showed you how to do it from a computer, but it's the same principle if you're on a smartphone or tablet. As you saw, to unblock websites, you need ExpressVPN. To sign up, visit vpn-club.com/express or click on the link located in the description under this video. ExpressVPN is the best VPN to unblock websites, as it can unblock pretty much any website. ExpressVPN has more than 3,000 servers in 94 countries. It's a safe, reliable and fast VPN, available on Windows, macOS, iOS, Android and so on. You can use it on up to 5 devices simultaneously. Great speeds, no bandwidth limit, a zero-log policy, very effective to bypass firewalls and geoblocks. ExpressVPN is not free, it's a paid VPN, but it costs only a few dollars per month. With our link, you will take advantage of a 49% discount and 3 months free. To summarize, the idea is to use ExpressVPN to simulate a connection from another location by replacing your IP address with the IP address of the VPN server. All you need to do is to select a location in the list of countries and press this button. That's it. It is that simple. Please note that ExpressVPN offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, which means that you can sign up, try the service for several weeks without any limit, and then request a refund if you wish. To get a refund, all you need to do is to contact their customer service and ask them to refund you. That's it. The only condition, make this request within 30 days after sign up. Otherwise, it will be too late. That said, I highly recommend that you keep your subscription, as ExpressVPN comes with many other benefits. To browse and download with more privacy and anonymity, increase your security, avoid bandwidth throttling, buy cheaper plane tickets and video games, and more. Don't even think about free VPNs. Free VPNs are not very effective at unblocking websites. They're also unsecured and very slow. They don't offer unlimited bandwidth either. Best to forget about them. This is why I recommend using ExpressVPN, which is by far the easiest and most effective way to unblock websites. Remember, with our link, you will take advantage of a 49% discount and 3 months free, as well as a 30-day money-back guarantee, so it's absolutely risk-free for you. Another great VPN to unblock websites is CyberGhost VPN. CyberGhost is another high-quality VPN with over 7,500 servers in 91 countries. Let's give it a try. I turn ExpressVPN off. I select a country in CyberGhost, the UK for example. As you can see, there are plenty of countries available. I press this button. It's connecting. It only takes a few seconds. Done. I'm now connected to the internet virtually from the UK. Let's refresh this page again. And as you can see, I still have access to the New York Times, except this time I don't have access to the video. Just like ExpressVPN, CyberGhost is available on Windows, macOS, iOS, Android, and so on. You can use it on up to 7 devices simultaneously. Very effective to bypass firewalls and geographic restrictions as well. So, if ExpressVPN is a bit too expensive for you, I recommend that you get CyberGhost instead, as it is more affordable. To sign up, visit vpn-club.com/cyber or click on the link located in the description under this video. With our link, you will take advantage of an 82% discount and 3 months free, so just $2.29 per month for the 3-year plan. Great value for money. Please note that CyberGhost offers a 45-day money-back guarantee, which is more than most other VPN providers. Alright, that's all for today. Now you know how to unblock websites. As you saw, it's very easy. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them below, and I will answer them as soon as possible. If you like this video, if you found it useful, please like it, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification button. Thanks, and see you next time.